Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest and thorough reviews of the beauty products and tools that can elevate your routine. Today, we're diving into a professional piece of equipment that's designed to streamline your workspace, the Joligrace Rolling Manicure Table. Whether you're a nail artist, makeup artist, or someone in need of a mobile workstation, this could be the perfect solution. Let's break down the key features and see if it lives up to its promises. The Joligrace Rolling Manicure Table is more than just a mobile case. It's a comprehensive workstation that offers versatility and efficiency. With an extra-large rolling makeup case measuring 15.7 by 11.8 by 32 inches, it provides ample storage space for all your essentials. The design features a pull rod that extends to 40.9 inches, which is great for ensuring that you can work at a comfortable height. The solid metal frame and anti-shake design give it a sturdy and stable feel, which is essential for professionals who rely on their tools day in and day out. One of the standout features of this table is its foldable nail table. Whether you're working in a studio or need something mobile for a temporary setup, this design offers flexibility with its 5 adjustable heights. It can easily be folded down and packed up, transforming into a compact and convenient cart that fits alongside your other equipment or even a rolling suitcase. This compact yet practical solution makes it an excellent choice for mobile nail techs and makeup artists who are on the go. When it comes to organization, the multifunctional nail case takes center stage. The top layer includes 2 detachable partitions that can hold up to 72 bottles of nail polish, offering organized storage for a range of beauty products. You can customize the compartments based on the size of your items, whether they're nail polishes or larger beauty supplies. The inclusion of a makeup pouch on the top lid is another thoughtful touch, providing extra storage for brushes and other accessories. The slide middle drawer is perfect for small nail art supplies or tools that need to be easily accessible. It's built with sliding rails that let you pull out the table for additional workspace, offering more room for larger equipment or machines. The drawers themselves are spacious with 4 large removable drawers, 3 of which are 4 inches deep and 1 at 4.9 inches deep. These are great for storing everything from polished bottles to larger items without worry about them sliding out during transport, thanks to the built-in baffle. Now let's talk about mobility. This case is equipped with 4 high-quality 360-degree iron wheels that make moving it around a breeze. Whether you're shifting it across a studio or bringing it to a different location, the wheels ensure quiet and smooth movement. Plus, the 2 rear wheels lock in place, preventing any unwanted movement while in use. Setting up the wheels is simple, though you'll need to remove the rubber seals at the bottom and install the wheels using the included wrench. After putting this product to the test, I can say it's incredibly convenient for anyone who needs both a functional work surface and a way to keep tools organized and mobile. The Joligrace Rolling Manicure Table is easy to set up, offers plenty of storage, and is perfect for professionals who are always on the move. Whether you're working in a salon or attending clients at various locations, this table provides the flexibility and stability you need. In terms of value for money, this product definitely packs a punch. Given its robust build, ample storage options, and smooth mobility, it's priced appropriately for what it offers. For professionals, investing in a well-designed, durable mobile workstation like this is essential, and the Joligrace Rolling Manicure Table delivers on that front. As for comparisons, this table is competitively priced against similar mobile workstations on the market. While some options may be more basic or focused only on storage, the Joligrace stands out due to its combination of a foldable nail table, large storage capacity, and mobility. It's an all-in-one solution that offers much more than a basic rolling case. In terms of build quality, this piece feels solid. The metal frame gives it a professional-grade feel, and the attention to detail in design shows, especially in how well the compartments are laid out and how easy it is to set up and move the table around. There is no immediate need for customer support since the product functioned well straight out of the box. However, Joligrace does have a reputation for providing responsive customer service if needed. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other rolling makeup cases on the market, but many of them lack the versatility and space of this particular model. While there are less expensive options, they often come with fewer features or may not offer the same level of stability and mobility. In summary, the Joligrace Rolling Manicure Table delivers on its promises of portability, durability, and organization. It's an excellent choice for nail artists, makeup professionals, or anyone needing a mobile workspace. If you're looking for a versatile, sturdy, and compact solution, this table will likely exceed your expectations. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing your experiences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.